It went well. It went well. I must say, there is something peculiar about that boy. Like you rightly said. Let me tell you, the bullet hit the guy in a very delicate and very wrong place. But as God may have it, I keep on working on him, checking his pulse, and he's still alive. He lost a lot of blood. I must tell you, something peculiar is about that boy.
Thank God. Thank God we saved his life. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Yeah, no problem. No.
Please, can I go and see him?
Yes, you can.
Thank you, Ajonko.
You can. Easy. Take it easy. Little Joe.
Ajonko. How is he?
Joe, one of the bullets broke his bone, and then it must take some time to heal. But I thank God I was able to bring them all out.
Thank you so much, Ajonko. Thank you.
You are the hero here. Yes, you are the hero here because it takes a man with such supernatural power, such supernatural confidence and faith to have brought him here. Because he had little or no life in him when you brought him.
Ajonko, so when is he going to gain consciousness?
That wound is too deep. So I am hoping that maybe by this time tomorrow, yes, by this time tomorrow, I hope he will regain his consciousness. Because truly, he won't be eating till that time.
Okay, thank you so much, Ajonko. I have to go home now and tidy some things. Tomorrow in the morning, I'll bring your money for you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Okay. Please, it is very, very important that you bring that money first thing in the morning.
I'll bring it. Sure, I'll bring it. Thank you so much, Ajonko. Thank you.
Little Joe, first thing tomorrow morning.
First thing tomorrow morning. Thank you.
Manyilulu beze. Neze welo jitinyela anyị nevele. Anyị bụ mweze na toji nevele nkuwa. Manyilulu nubeze. Anyị jelili beze. Neze welo jitinyela anyị nevele. Anyị bụ mweze na toji nevele nkuwa. Hold your peace. Hold your peace. Easy.
Where am I?
You are in safe hands, my dear. You are in safe hands.
How did I get to this place? How?
The Almighty and the Creator of life, the Maker of the whole universe. He is the one who brought you here. Not only has He preserved your life, He has also kept you up to this moment, my dear.
Am I alive?
As you can see, you are breathing. And that can only explain that you are still alive.
I'm thirsty.
Oh.
I need water.
I understand you are very thirsty.
I'm very thirsty.
But I'm sorry I cannot give you water now.
You came back to save my life after you shot me. Why?
Something in me told me that you need to stay alive. If it was possible, I would have boycotted the shooting, but there was nothing I could do. When we got to town, I had to jump out from the car to come after you. I took a tricycle and came to where you are. I have to say really.
Thank you so much. But who ordered the killing?
Stay away from the princess in fact. Let everyone believe that you are dead. You are going to hide here for the meantime until the princess is married to her suitor. Then you can come out.
Why?
Because the person that sent us will send another people to come after you if he finds out that you are alive. He has all the whole money and connections in the world to achieve his evil plot.
I need to see my mother.
You are dead. Dead men don't see his people.
You're right.
Do you care for some?
It's 5 days now. I can't remain here. My mother might just die. I can't imagine the pains she's passing through now.
It is better she stays in pains of your loss for now and let her live happily with you than she'll be in pain for the rest of her life because of your death. Which of them do you think is more preferable?
If my mother did not see me now, something terrible might happen to her. Please, allow me to go and see her, at least for her to know that I'm still alive. We can keep away the truth from the general public.
How do you intend to achieve that?
Okay, I am going to sneak in the house in the night and sneak out the next night. You know you have put in enough effort on this, and you wouldn't want the effort to be worthless. Just trust me, okay? I want to live for you, for my mother and for myself. Trust me, I'll handle it.
Okay, that's good. Come over.
My life is now a testimony.
O God of the poor, Father of the fatherless, the husband of the widow. Father, how can I appreciate you and thank you for everything you have done for me and my son? If this boy had been killed by the mighty, what would I have done? Thank you for saving my son for me. Thank you for wiping away my tears. Thank you for bringing back my son to me. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Father. Thank you, Jesus.
Someone sacrificed his life to save mine. I don't want to ruin his effort. Mama, the Igwe desperately wants me dead. If he hears that I'm alive, not only that he will send men to come and check, but he will want to dig to know how I survived the first attack. And that will amount putting Joe, my friend, in trouble. Mama, I will go back to my hiding place and I'll come in to see you until the princess marries the prince.
So how do you intend to leave this village unnoticed?
The same way I sneaked into this village, that's the same way I will leave this village.
So that means I will be alone again.
look cheerful this morning. What's happening? Yes, sir. Hey. What's
My dear, my son appeared to me in a dream last night. Yes, he consoled me very well. He said I shouldn't cry again, that I shouldn't worry about his sudden disappearance.
Hey,
and I promised him that I will not cry anymore.
Hey, yeah, I love this, oh, I love this.
Thank you.
Oh.
See, I'm happy now.
Yes. Mama, okay. Let's go inside.
No, I got it. Thank you very much for everything. Thank you for being a good friend. Thank you for being there when I needed you most.
Mama, okay.
I will never forget this.
Mama, okay. What are friends for? What are friends for?
You showed me you're a good friend.
Yes, of course.
Yeah.
So let us go inside.
No, let's sit here. Because of the heat.
Okay.
Hey! How is your family?
Everybody is fine, as you can see.
I'll wash that my
cassava.
I'll carry to the market.
Abi? Very good. It's good like that now. All these tears every time. Oh, you don't need to cry again. Everything is fine.
Oh?
What are you doing? What have you done? I can authoritatively tell that you have a hand in his kidnap or assassination, or what can I call it? How could you be so mean? You have always treated him like a lowlife. You have done this because you feel he doesn't deserve me, and neither does he deserve your palace or your kingdom or your throne. How couldn't you even think of his mother? He is her only hope, and you took him away. How could you be so selfish? Even after I told you I love him, yet you took him away. I am giving you 24 hours to bring him back and alive. Else I will make sure that you go through what his mother is going through. I promise you, Father, I will take my life. I promise you. How can you do this? Why are you doing this? I promise you.
What was I thinking? How didn't I think in this direction? Oh, I am doomed. My only daughter. What do I do now? Think on how to save yourself. Think on how to save the life of your only daughter from suicide.
Hello, Igwe.
Listen, young man. There is a big problem. And if nothing is done, I may lose my only daughter.
What is the problem, Igwe?
That young man I sent you to go and kill, did you actually kill him?
If that is the case, Igwe, then you have no problem. Because I watched him die. And no living soul can locate the body.
Oh, I'm finished.
What is it again, Igwe?
My daughter threatened that if I didn't bring him back alive, that is, she's going to take her life. And I know my daughter. She doesn't give an empty threat.
In that case, Igwe, we have to plan to take her to a place where we monitor her until she gets rid of everything about the boy. But that will cost you a lot, Igwe.
How is that going to be possible?
Igwe, leave that to me. I'm a master in this game.
Is it a crime to fall in love? Why always me? Okay, true. Why always me? Okay, true. Is it a crime to fall in love? Is it a limitation to be in love? To bring us a
The king called, asking if we really murdered you. That the daughter is threatening to take her life if we don't return you after 24 hours.
No, she can't die.
My boss is on a mission to go and apprehend the princess and keep her in a safe place for close monitoring until she totally forgets everything about you.
I have to go and show myself to the princess.
Why?
Because she can't die for nothing.
You are a dead man, my friend. You are not going anywhere.
Yes, but sometimes dead men do visit their loved ones.
I hope I don't regret ever saving your life.
Who's there?
My daughter opened the door and talked to your father.
Have you brought the boy back?
That's why I'm here. We need to talk as father and daughter.
Go and bring the boy. Once he's here and I can hear his voice, then I'll open the door.
Uju, open this door. I need to talk with you.
And I say no. You will never see my face again in your entire life until you bring the boy back.
Then you left me with no option than to break this door now.
Then suit yourself. Break it.
What is my crime? Give me can commit. Am I wrong? Give me camera. Is it a crime to fall in love? Why always me? Okay, true. Why always me? Okay, true.
Okay, Chuku. Where are you going?
Mama, I want to rush to the palace now. When I come back, I'll explain everything to you.
Oh, bro, you're not going anywhere.
Mama, it's not what you think.
Whatever I think does not matter anymore. All I'm saying is that I don't want to see you stab your foot into that palace again.
Mama,
not anymore.
As we're talking, somebody is about to die.
Okay, Chuku, let the person die. As long as you're not the person dying, anybody can die.
Mama, please, I will explain to you.
Okay, Chuku, I don't need your explanations. You can keep it to yourself. I don't care.
Mama.
Come back, baby. Get it, where are you going? Going where? You're coming and you're going. You're not on no, my shiny coffee not on my ship.
If you don't want my car, I go leave and
Mama, I'm coming.
Where are you
Coming, please, I'm coming. Start, let's go.
It's like I'm too up. Where are you going?
Mama, oh, start now, let's go.
God is blind. I fall in love for real because it's my chance. I don't wanna know what the people are saying. Don't wanna know. I don't wanna care. All I want is love, love.
I need you to force this door open now. Okay.
Love, happiness, that should be what So we are looking for love or happiness. Remember, greedy is part of hate. Oh, money's not everything. Oh, my happiness is what I want. It's what I want. Money's not everything. Money's not my happiness. Oh, it's what I want. My love, my treasure, you are always in my heart. Baby, mom, tell me your heart. I can do anything for you. You are my love, my happiness, my world. You are my treasure, my life, my world, baby. Igugama, igugama, baby, chibaby, igugama, baby, chibaby, baby. This love is unbreakable, nothing can separate us. We are one forever. Someone is for love, but it's hard to see this kind of love. I believe you. Someone is for love, but it's hard to see this kind of love. I believe you. When temptation comes and back, I believe you. Oh, I know you really are. I believe you. When temptation comes and back.
The king have warned me never to open the gate for you.
Go and call the king. Go and tell him that I'm alive. Tell him that I'm here. Go and save the princess.
If the king sets his eyes on you, you won't leave this place alive. So you better go home.
Go now. Go, I'm telling you. Go and save the princess.
I'm warning you too. Go home. Go home.
I fell in love, I love what I'm here. He is my choice, my word and my love.
Open this gate now. Go and call it.
What am I even talking to? Please, don't touch this gate again. Don't leave this place alive.
Understand?
Leave this place alive.
Wait. Hey. Oh. Oh, no.
Ogini.
Hey, oh no. Oh
What's
no.
the problem with you?
Hey.
No, Ogini. What's the problem with you?
Mama, I told you I wanted to go and stop her from taking her life. But you didn't let me. You didn't listen to me.
Mm-hmm. Oh, or the princess. So what later happened?
I saw them taking her to the car. Mama, she is dead. She took her life because of me. She took her life because of me.
The princess is dead. Are you sure of what you're saying?
Mama, I saw them taking her lifeless body to the car. Mama, she took her life because of me.
Hey! I cannot. How would you do a thing like that? Okay, just go anywhere.
Hey.
They wouldn't know because of that.
Charlie! Boss! Yeah. My prince. Come. We need to get to CMB Specialist Hospital right away. Huh?
My prince, hope all is well.
All is not well. You see, the king just called me now to tell me that his daughter, Princess Uju, has been rushed to the hospital. She took some deadly substance to take her own life.
Jesus.
Really? Boy, let's go there.
Really?
Yes. You see, he has requested I represent him at the hospital since he can't be there. So we need to make sure that the doctors are taking care of her. So please, let's go.
Okay, let me get the car keys first.
Yes, hurry up. Hurry up. Yes.
My place.
Where is she?
She's inside with the doctor.
Oh, okay.
And Auntie Precious is around.
Oh, she's there?
Yes.
Where is she?
Inside.
Precious, what happened?
Thank God you're here.
What happened?
She found out about the truth.
Truth?
Yes.
What truth?
Please excuse us, my prince.
Missing boy. The missing boy was actually adopted by the assassin, not the police. He was murdered that same night.
How? But by who? Who did that? What?
Yes. She wants to punish the father for being an extremist. She took poison, but the father was fast enough. She was still breathing, though unconscious when she was brought here.
Oh, okay. So what is the doctor saying?
Nurse. So please get me the file of the patients in Ward 8 so I can...
Doctor, please, what's the situation? What's going on?
Yes.
They were fast enough to have brought her to this place, but there might still be a problem. You see, we've done all we can to make sure we stop any further damages the substance was to cause her body.
Okay.
And we've also given her injection to neutralize the effect of the poison. Although she's still unconscious as we speak. But let's hope Because she may pass on from there and she may wake up. So let's just hope she wakes up after some time or a while.
Wow. This is serious.
Oh, yes.
This is serious.
Let's hope she wakes up and let's still give her some more time. You'll excuse me.
What's he talking about?
Well, you heard the doctor. She may or may not survive.
Oh God. Uju, why now? Eh? Why would she want to take her own life? Why?
Oh, nurse, I need to see her, please.
I'm coming with you.
It's so funny. It's so amazing how, after all the love I showed you, all the care I showered on you, yet you chose another man for me. I can do nothing but wish you both well in the land of the dead.
No. No. You can't die like that. You can't die like that, my friend, please. Wake up and talk to me, please. Just wake up. I'm here, talk to me.
Goodbye,
Would you please just talk to me, please? Please wake up and talk to me, I beg you. Please, would you please?
Are you sure you heard clearly? Because if she had died, the news of her death would have been all over the place. Even as I went out today, I was expecting to hear something, but I didn't hear anything to that effect.
I think they took her to the hospital and she was revived.
Me too, I'm thinking in that direction as well.
Maybe I'll go to the hospital and check if she's alive or dead.
It's not true. You are not going anywhere.
Why?
What is your problem? Do you think if she had died, the people would be happy to see or hear that you are alive too? Eh?
Do you think if she finally took her life thinking I was dead, you think I'll be happy to leave and not to join her?
Okay, Chukwu. What would you do? Take your life because of her? Eh?
Just pray she leaves.
Oh, can love must say Ife ni ife kwe o. Mo me kara nneku. Okay, Chukwu.
How long is my daughter going to remain like this?
I wish I know.
So is there nothing that can be done medically to revive her completely?
Absolutely nothing, Your
Highness. Oh, I don't believe you, doctor.
Something has to be done.
It's a miracle.
She married.
Where am I?
You're in the hospital.
They brought me to the hospital.
Oh yes, because you wanted to take your life.
He brought me here to save my life. How selfish can you get? You brought me here to save my life. But you killed another's child.
Okechukwu is not dead. He is alive.
What? He's not?
Yes. He visited. He survived the attack, but he has been running away from being killed.
What is my crime?
You? Yes. I'm alive. I am not dead. You see, I was in my hideout when I heard that the princess wanted to take her life. Then I rushed to save her life, but the gatekeeper wouldn't allow me in till I saw them taking her body to the car. I knew they were heading to this place. So, how is she?
The doctor said she might survive or she might not. Hey. She's still unconscious.
Can I see her now?
The king is around.
What?
Yes.
You see, I've been like this for over a week now. I survived the attack, and I wouldn't want any other person to come for me. You see, I will go now, but I'll come back when the king must have left. Okay?
Okay. Be careful.
Thank you.
Is it abomination to be in love? To bring Nasikwaya, 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 Jimmy Nasikwaya, Nasikwaya, Nasikwaya.
Are you sure you're telling the truth?
I am, my princess.
Who know where he lives?
I do, my king.
Take some servants. Go with my driver. I need to see him now.
Yes, Your Majesty.
No.
Oh, relax. He's coming, okay? How are you feeling now? I mean, do you still feel any pain in your body?
Doctor, the only way the pain in my body can go away is if I set my eyes on that boy.
I got my bakulonye noa. I got my bakulonye noa.
Greetings, ma.
Yes, Ogini.
We come in peace.
What kind of peace?
The Igwe has sent us to fetch your son.
Which son? Is it the one he sent them to come and kill for me? Or another one? Tell him that one he's looking for is dead.
Even your son will be happy to know that the princess is awake and is demanding to see him.
Eh?
Ogini.
Is she awake? Is she awake?
Yes, I told her you survived the attack, but she said she wouldn't believe me until she sets her eyes on you.
Hey!
Yes. And the Igwe also demands that you are brought over.
Please, let's go.
Go where?
Let's go.
Okay, when I be Naga, you're not going anywhere.
Mama, wait.
Wait.
Come.
What we be, we be. What we be, we be. If I cheat, the ladder. Aqualisia, what we be shall be. What we be must be. Makachuku Pechebania. In the time of trouble, I will stand for you, my love. In the time of pain, I will stand for you, my love.
My love. Is this really you?
Yes, it's me. I didn't die after all. I'm alive.
Oh.
Sorry. How are you?
Happy. Very happy.
What took you so long?
The man.
What took you so long?
The princess has been discharged from the hospital, so I had to follow them to their house.
Because of that, you now go to the princess' house every day. Okay, remember they don't like you. So once the princess is fully recovered, they'll find a way to eliminate you out of their ways. Be careful.
Okay. Just listen, let me tell you. On the contrary, if anybody who wants me alive now is the king, he will put every energy within him to see that I'm alive for the fear of losing his daughter. So, do not fear anymore, Mama. Our love has prevailed. Very soon, your son, Oki boy, will be getting married to the princess of this kingdom. Mama.
So should I be laughing now?
This is a dream come true. We have made it.
You and me and you.
Yes.
Stop deceiving yourself, Okichukwu. Both of you are not the same class. Don't ever begin to dream those kind of wide dream.
Mama, do not fear anymore. Okay? Just be happy. Check and help, Ogi Bigo. Let me help you. Let me help you. At least let me learn how to be sewing. Are you? Maybe.
So now, wife will get a
Hi, I'm so happy.
Have you heard?
Heard what?
Okechukwu and the princess are getting married.
Eh? Tell me something. I heard a rumor that he was abducted by unknown gunmen, suspected to have been sent by the king.
One of the gunmen took him to a place where the gun was extracted.
Eh?
Yes, so.
I didn't hear that part of the story.
The more interesting thing is the princess threatened to kill herself if Okechukwu was not brought to her. So they had to provide Okechukwu for her. Everybody went running, searching for Okechukwu. The king, the princess, so everybody was searching for Okechukwu. And finally they brought Okechukwu to her.
This is interesting.
Now they're about to get married.
That's interesting.
Yes. Funny, isn't it? The same Okechukwu that everybody in the village was talking about. He's about to marry the princess. I'm happy for them.
I wonder what my friend and her sister will be thinking now.
That's true.
My princess, I'm happy to hear you conquered after the claws of death almost stole you away from me. Come here.
How are you?
I'm fine. He's angry.
I don't care about his anger. All that matters to me is you. I told you. Perhaps we're born to make history. To tell the greatest story of love ever known. I told you. My heart is so full because Father wants to see you. And I.
When?
Now. Like yesterday now.
Like now?
Let me start by apologizing to both of you. All my actions were highly regrettable, and I am very, very sorry. I thought I could separate both of you, but with you, I have come to realize that the greatest power that exists is the power of love. Your love stood against all odds. Your love conquered every adversary. Your love conquered even death. I have no option than to consent to your marriage. I have no option than to consent to your union. I give you my paternal blessings.
When we think for you, you are my love, my happiness. You are my treasure, my life, my world, baby.
What a time to visit.
Yes, so it is called being at the right place at the right time.
But unfortunately, I am not sparing any of this food, okay?
As if you normally give us before.
Who doesn't know you? You know you now. Stingy girl.
I was only joking. Okay. That day that I came to your house, did you give me food?
Good job.
Anyway, that's not even why we are here.
Have a seat now. Sit down.
Have you heard about the latest development?
On what?
Okechukwu and the princess, of course.
I am not interested.
You should be. Oh. The king has finally given his consent. Okechukwu and the princess are getting married very soon.
Are you serious?
Yes.
But please, if that's the reason why you guys are here, to discuss Okechukwu and the princess, please leave my house. Please leave. I have more important things to attend to.
Oh yeah? Are you asking us to leave your house?
Oh, if that's how you see it, then no problem.
Now let's go. They rejected someone and labeled him a tout. Now the tout is getting married. Not to another tout as they predicted, but to our own princess. And they are jealous.
Jealous of what?
The stone that the builders rejected has become the chief cornerstone.
Tell her.
Please, let's go. Keep going. Just go. Go.
How are you? It's been now.
How have you been?
I've been strong as usual.
I've been strong. I trust you, strong girl.
That's my name now.
So tell me, have you heard anything about Okechukwu's whereabouts? Has he been found? Is he okay? I've not been relaxed all this while. Is he okay?
Oh, he has been found now.
Yeah. Thank God. My Okechukwu has been found. I missed him so much. That's why I came back to the village.
Do you know the latest gist in town now?
Tell me what?
In this village.
Tell me.
Okechukwu is getting married to the princess. Yes, so it's all over the village. Sister, not again. Sister, Kechuku is not your man. If he's your man, he would have waited for you. Sister, stop crying. Let me go and prepare food for you.
I'm not hungry, No, Kechuku, no. You can leave me. You are mine. Oh, every man has his weakness. If I had known better, I would have stuck to my Okechukwu until he is a changed man. Helping your man to fight and win his weakness is the best approach. Running away from your man because of his weakness leads to regret, because no man is without weakness. I know better now. Yes.
My father used to say, if you want to go fast, go alone. But if you want to go far, go together. The origin of happiness is loving the woman you married, rather than marrying the woman you love. I bless your marriage in Eke. I bless you in Ore. I bless you in Afo. I bless you in Okwa. May your marriage be fruitful in all manner of fruitfulness. By my authority as a father, I declare both of you blessed and together forever. We all now rise and go out for the celebration to start.
Greetings, Your Majesty. I am Inspector Ngozi Koka from State CID.
State CID?
Yes.
Is there anything the matter?
I am directed by Deputy Commissioner of Police to invite you to clarify matters on kidnaps and attempted murder.
All right. Ichie, can you hear her? The
understand.
State Commissioner of Police inviting me to clarify a case of kidnap and attempted murder.
How?
Okay, you go back. I'm coming to your station. Let me call my lawyer.
Is it a crime?
What is my crime? Give me can commit. Am I wrong? Guinea camera, is it a crime to fall in love? Why always me, Okechukwu? Why always me, Okechukwu? Is it a crime not to fall in love? Is it a domination to be in love? To bring Nasipaya, 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 Jimmy Nasipaya, 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 Ini Kawamu, Ini Kaketupu, Agama bakulizionye bakulonye noa. Agama bakulizionye bakulonye noa. Afumbulanye ma, afumbulumama, afumbulanye ma, afumbulumama. Ebeki na gechuku, ebeki na gechuku, ebeki na gechuku. Zanimama, ebeki na gemama, zanimama, zanimama.